One recent feature addition to 3D Coat is ACES tone mapping inside the viewport. It's worth a little exploration if you're not familiar with it, but let's go ahead and look inside the application as to how we would apply this. Let's go to the Edit menu, and in the Preferences panel, I'm going to go to the Viewport tab, and it's right below Vertical Synchronization here. Use ACES tone mapping. As soon as I click that, you'll see an immediate change. There's much more contrast in the viewport. I'll click OK. And so now, yeah, you can definitely see quite a difference just here in the viewport. And let's change our lighting just a bit. And maybe I can change my environment map. All right, and that's going to be a quick look at ACES tone mapping in 3D Coat 2022. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.